Need to merge multiple PDFs into a single file? In this video, I'll show you how to combine PDFs online quickly and easily, without downloading or installing any software. For this, open any web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type ilovepdf.com and press enter. Here you will get many PDF tools. Click on Merge PDF to combine PDF. Then you can select PDF from your Google Drive from here. Also, Dropbox feature is available. I have PDF on my computer, so I will click on Select PDF Files button. Then select multiple PDF from here. Here you will get those PDF. You can click on plus button and add more PDF as well. If you want, you can rotate PDF as well. Also, you can see you can drag and change position of your PDF. If you want to remove PDF, then you can click on cross button at top of PDF. So to merge the PDF, click on Merge PDF button at bottom right corner as shown here. Then it will begin uploading and merging the PDF. It may take times depending on your PDF file size. After that, click on Download Merged PDF button to download merged PDF file. After download, you can preview the merged file. In this way, we can merge PDF file without installing any software on computer. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.